What's going on, guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here the iconic Gundam from the anime series The Bitch from Mercury. Oh no, it's The Witch from Mercury. So this is the full mechanics from Bandai, which was released 2023, and this is the none other than Gundam Aerial. Yes, this is the bitch that kills most mobile suit with ease by using these funnels here. And to be honest, guys, I'm not a big fan. Again, I'm not a big fan of the Witch from Mercury. And also this Gundam 00 series and even the Gundam CD series. I haven't watched any single episode of this Gundam series. I only watch clips, but to be honest, I don't like the graphics of this anime. Sorry, I don't watch this anime. I just like the Mecha, the Gundams. I just like the some of their mechas. Just like collecting Gundam suits or Gundam mobile suits from those series. I much like these 90s Gundam anime such as Gundam Wing, Gundam X, Turn A Gundam, and G Gundam, Mobile Fighter G Gundam, and also some of the UC Century spin-offs such as Stardust Memory, 8MS Team, and the Thunderbolt. Also, I like the Iron Blood Orphans. But sad to say, I don't like The Witch from Mercury. I don't watch any single episode of this shit. But I like collecting kits, so I will stick on collecting kits. So let's check this shit out. The box art here shows the bitch flying, and you can see the Gundam Aerial full mechanics here. It says here the witch or the bitch from Mercury, and we can see the I don't know how it's called. Sorry fans, sorry Witch from Mercury fans, I don't care. I don't give a shit on what this thing called, so I will just call it funnels. Anyway, yep, mobile suit looks nice. It's like the G Gundam Reconquista because of this head here. Looks Reconquista. And the side of the box, we can see some poses here, like this unpainted state here, the front view, the flying view on the action base, and you can see some rifle with beam saber effect here. Fuck, it's ugly, honestly. And there's this kneeling pose here, and yeah, you can see the beam rifle can be placed on the back of the kit, and there's this Nicki Minaj leg type of leg. There's this foot like Barbatos, and to be honest, the kit doesn't appeal me much. And yep, we can see the front view, the back view, and the shield can be dismantled into the funnels, like funnels, and you can put it as an armor pieces here. Anyway, I don't care. So if we open the box here, we can see Gundam Aerial. Gundam Aerial here, same as the box art for the manual, and we can see the parts list here. Yep, it's not that much. Maybe I can finish this bitch in an hour or an hour and a half. So it's nothing new about Bandai manual, which is black and white. And yep, we can see some parts. We call this part separation here, or replacement. And yep, in the box or in the back of the manual, we can see some poses. And the pilot here, Suleta Mercury, the one they say witch, but for me she's a bitch. And we can see here Suleta Mercury also from the bottom of the box. She doesn't look nice, she looks ugly, to be honest. Her chopped eyebrows looks like Rock Lee from the Naruto, or I don't know, I forget who the fuck, or who's this anime character has the same eyebrow for this bastard. Anyway, we can see this multicolored runners here, blue, yellow, and there's this green here, and some beam saber effect parts. Yep. We have here shiny red color for the psycho frame, whatsoever how they call that for the fans. There's this red frame here, white frame here. We have gray runners here for the inner frame. We have giant beam saber effect for the rifle, where you can attach this to the rifle. We have red parts here. Yep. And gray runner parts for the beam rifle, for the shield. And we have here white runners for armor plates. To be honest, the color of Gundam Aerial is like the traditional Gundam protagonists, such as Arc 78, Gundam Age, Gundam Wing, Gundam Reconquista, and yep, that's how the protagonist kits look like. That's why it doesn't have an appeal to me, because most of my protagonist kits are the same. Yep, the color combination are the same. That's why I buy non-Gunpla kits also, just to fight the monotonous color of this protagonist mobiles. Anyway, let's check the runners here. So as always, we will have a quick runner review of this kit before we build it. And yep, we start here with the decals here. So these are stickers for Gundam Aerial. And we go here first for the small runners. We have here the shiny red runner here for the F3 runner. So these are unfortunately not undergated. Some parts are undergated. Yep. So I think this is to be placed underneath a clear part. So it's okay. It's not a big deal if you scratch some of the color of this part. Anyway, we have here two red runners here for runner F and runner F2, F1, F2, and this shiny F3. So we have here two sets of beam saber effect, which is for the gun, for the rifle, and for the beam saber. So we have white runners here for runner C2, and this runner C1. So these are white runners. And we have here runner B for shield parts, head parts, and I noticed that the head of this Gundam is a bit big, something like that. Yep. And we have here the runner A. Yep. This is runner A for the multicolored runner for the blue parts. Green part here. I think this is for the eyes. And we have clear gray plastic here for I don't know how it's called, but I'll just call it psychoframe. Yep, something like that. And we have gray parts here for the rifle. What I saw here in the rifle, that it's like two big chunks of plastic clumped together, something like that. That's how it looks here. And for the shield parts, we have here runner D for inner frame parts. And finally, we have another runner D. So we have two sets of runner D for this kit. Okay, guys. See you next time. Until then, I'll build this kit and provide you some review afterwards. It's Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying goodbye, God bless, and take care. Happy building, bitch from Mercury.